Welcome to No Problem Vegan. Today we are at Bano West Indian Groceries located in Kissimmee, Florida. In addition to West Indian groceries, they also have a restaurant that you can order to dine in or take out. They even offer catering. Here we ordered Guyanese style chow mein and veggie fried rice. The chow mein was delicious, and what I really enjoyed about the fried rice is that you can taste the 5-spice. To accompany these dishes, we have fried plantain, salad, and veggie and mushroom skewers. These delectable grilled skewers were fire. They are made with juicy king oyster mushrooms, zucchini, squash, potatoes, bell peppers, red onions, Brussels sprouts, and cherry tomatoes. These were perfect for a picnic on a hot summer day. We thank you for watching No Problem Vegan. Please like and subscribe.